Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
Yes. I'd like to withdraw some money from this account.
Okay. How much do you want?
$500.
Can you fill out this form, please? You need to write down your name, your account number, how much money you want.
Sure. Hold on for a moment. Here you are.
Thanks. Sir, please enter your password over that machine.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir, but your password is wrong.
Really? Can I try it again? How about this time?
It's correct now. Here's your receipt. Please sign at the bottom of it.
Okay. Here you are.
Here are $500 and your account. Please press the button to give a score for my service. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.